Hey loves, this month is October. That means Inktober has begun, and here is how I'm preparing for it. I like to work on a smaller scale whenever I'm sketching. Therefore, I just took some drawing paper and trimmed the paper down to sizes 5 by 8 inches. I did not purchase any new materials for this project, so I'm just using some technical pens that vary by thicknesses and a rolling ball pen for my designs. Jake Parker, a fellow YouTuber, created Inktober as a way to improve his inking skills, and now artists from all over the world participated from wherever they are, from beginners to advanced artists. The object of Inktober is to create a drawing for every day in the month of October. They provide for you a prompt list for every day of the month, but you can create your own if you don't want to use their list. You can use whatever type of ink you like: rolling ball pens, brushes, technical pens, loose ink, etc. Make a drawing, post it to your favorite social media using the hashtags #Inktober and #Inktober2019. You repeat, that's it. You don't have to be an ink master to participate in this challenge. This is my first year participating in this challenge thanks to Keshnadania, a fellow artist who told me about it, and you can find her channel here on YouTube as well as on IG. She told me not to buy any new supplies for this challenge, so that's exactly what I did. Whenever I start a drawing, I usually go off of the very first thing that comes to mind whenever I see a prompt word of the day, whether in the literal or metaphorical sense. To avoid comparison and copying, I personally never look at any other drawings or hashtags for that day until I've uploaded and posted my own drawings. This just helps me from getting discouraged because you'll see all skill levels entering to do this challenge, and you don't want to beat yourself up for your level of drawing. Just have fun with it. I've been using this challenge as a means to practice and get better at drawing, so this has really been fun to participate in so far. If you miss a day, it's fine. If you can't commit every day in the week, but you can only do one drawing a week, that's fine. Consistency is the key here. So hit me up in the comment section if you're down to do the challenge. I'll link the rules and prompt list in the description box down below. The challenge has already started, so pick up from whatever day you see this video. Also follow me on IG at MillicentSwiftArt if you'd like to keep up with me to see how I'm doing in the challenge. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, you guys, loves. Bye bye.